At this point, let's look at how the mobile app and the desktop app integrate together. In our previous tutorial, our salesperson scanned into DealScan their customer, their trade, the vehicle they were interested in, and their driver's license information. While the salesperson and customer are out on their test drive, the sales manager can begin working up the deal. The sales manager begins with the information the salesperson scanned into DealScan. We can now see the data associated with this current deal. We see that our customer is trading in a 2012 Toyota Tundra, and they're looking to purchase a 2015 Ford F-150. All of this, thanks to the DealScan mobile app, has been time-stamped. We see that the customer was scanned in at 2:24 p.m., the trade was scanned in at 2:28 p.m., and the customer found a new vehicle at 2:30 p.m. At this point, the salesperson and the customer should be out taking their test drive. While they're out, the sales manager can now begin working up the deal based on the information that's already available. The edit screen is where you can add information about the customer if needed, but for our example, we have enough to go ahead and work the deal for a first pencil presentation. You have the customer's name and zip code. There's also a co-buyer, and we see that we have all of the information about them as well. If we look at the column here on the right side of the screen, this is where we see the customer's marketing type. As mentioned before, we see that this customer is an internet shopper and saw the price of the vehicle on the dealer website. Because there's a special promotional price associated with the website, we'll need to take a look at the information on this particular vehicle. In order to do that, click on the Open Inventory button here in order to check that data. We'll need to take a look at the information on this particular vehicle. The customer saw the VIP price on the internet, which was $55,645, and we see what the holdback is on the vehicle. So we now have enough information to proceed with creating the deal. Now we click on the Swap into Current Deal button to take us back to the customer worksheet. At this point, we can run the rebates. The vehicle has a 601A package. We're going to assume that this is a manufacturer standard rate, since that normally gives us better rebates. However, in this particular case, it does not. We're going to also present the customer with the manufacturer's lease as well. We click on Save Changes, which takes us back into the main screen. At this point, we see that the trade-in is still red and that the used car sales manager has not appraised the trade-in vehicle yet. The next tutorial in this series continues our look at DealScan and how to appraise a used car.